Hello! My name is Alex the Polymath. Today I will be doing a tutorial on Jing, which is part of TextSmith. So Jing is basically used to capture images and capture video that's on your screen. And I'm going to search Jing TextSmith into my browser, and it should be the second result that says Jing TextSmith. And you click on that, and this page pops up. You want to go to the top right corner and click download. And then this is basically what pops up. You can do a Windows download, but I don't have Windows, so I'm not going to click that. But I do have a Mac, so I'm going to click Mac download, which is the one to the right. So I click on that, and it should automatically download. And since I'm on Chrome, it should be in the bottom left corner of the screen, and yes, it is right there. But if I were in Safari or Firefox, it would be in the top right hand corner. So I'm gonna click on that, and this should pop up. Let's pretend I read all that, and I'm gonna click agree. And then it opens, and it asks you to drag the Jing into the applications folder. And then you want to click on the applications folder and click Jing. And are you sure you want to open it? Yes, I am. Open. And this pops up. Goes to the top right corner of the screen, and there, it's open. If you want to capture something, you can capture like this. You can capture it as an image and then edit it. And there. And you can undo that stuff. You can make shapes. You can draw, or you can fill it. Do whatever you want with it. And then you can also see what captures you've done before. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you can also like capture video. And 3, 2, 1. The video is going on right now. And now it's done. And then there. That's basically how you capture video. And I think you can redo it if you want, and you can also cancel. And then there are a bunch of options that you can do. You can click done, then it just goes back to the normal page. You can send feedback to Jing. You can go to the options page, and you can also click if you need help. And you can also delete or quit Jing. And that's basically a basic tutorial on Jing. Thank you for watching.